keeps our customers coming back is our quality work with quality parts and our customer service, and we stand back behind all our work. We typically have a 90-day warranty for all labor. Parts have their own warranty through manufacturers. If you have any issues within that 90 days, we typically cover it and get it fixed as soon as possible. We want to give out the best customer service and have the best word out there. At House of Power, we're very passionate about our work. We love building horsepower and creating a vehicle that someone dreamed of having. And that's what Mile to Wild is all about.